Evening, everybody. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, 30th of June. It's actually the 1st of July. It's 1:14 a.m. We are still breaking Hit Parade MLB jerseys. It's a two-boxer. Randomed up our 9 remaining boxes. 45 and 63 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized everybody. Alphabetize the customers afterwards. Did give them a minute to trade, but it is very late. Not many people left. Took us a while to fill that. I just want to close out the night on a couple of nice boxes here. That's your say, guys. Not sure. I'm still not sure. Is it Dave Concepcion? Yes, sir. Gonna be a Reds hit. Part of the big red machine there. Going to be Dave Concepcion. Cincinnati Reds hit, folks. Let me just get there in my deck there. Concepcion. Jersey, Cincinnati. Alright, who hit that? Well, that one's going to Phil. Love this team growing up, man. Pete Rose, Johnny Bench, George Foster, Joe Morgan, Tony Perez, Dave Concepcion. That's one hell of a team, man. Alright, that one's going to Phil. Box 63. Alright, here we go. Well, gonna say this is gonna be our Atlanta or Met hit, guys. Bam. Gonna be a White Sox jersey, 2005, a World Series champ. Gonna be Carl Everett. Oh man, we are getting nothing but customs now. Before we were getting nothing but licenses. Now we're getting nothing but customs. Come on, camera focus for me. But a White Sox hit. Well, man, it's been an Atlanta, a Met, and Chicago kind of night, man. Beckett Witness hologram on that. Who has the White Sox? Well, gonna be Patty McPat on that one. I'm very sorry, Noob, everybody else. Nick. Pack, everybody. Wow, man. Well, we didn't have a great night of pulls out of this stuff. It was treating us pretty well up until tonight. Let's really hope we get back on track tomorrow. Yeah, thank you, bud. Alright, so Carl Everett, Jersey, CHW. Alright, so Hanfield, R1 the Concepcion. And can't hit the Carl Everett. That's going to wrap up that one, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central.